Hey there, welcome back to another video in this Python tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to talk about zip function in Python. So basically what a zip function does is that it generates an iterator. What a iterator is, basically you can say a list is an iterator, or a set is an iterator, or a tuple is an iterator, but we will discuss more about iterator in other video. In this video I'm gonna tell you the benefits of zip and how to use zip function. My next video will be about iterator, and now I think about it, that video should have been first, but I'm making it right now. So we will talk about iterators in the next video. Just now focus on for zip for the time being. Now let's say you have two sets, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Basically you have two tuples, not set. Okay, and you can check the type. A, it is a tuple. So you have two tuples, 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10, and now you are going to use zip function. So result will be zip a comma b, and what it is going to do, will zip the values together, like 1 with 6, 2 with 7, 3 with 8, 4 with 9, and similarly 5 with 10. Now let's see. You cannot see the result like normally. You can now you can't just print it right like this, because as I told you it is an iterator, but I will tell you that later. Now just focus on this. What How can we print it out? You can use tuple, and so here you can see 1 6 is together, 2 7 is together, 3 8 is together, 4 9 is together, 5 10 is together. So what are the benefit of zip? Let's suppose you want to print, or you want to traverse two lists at the same time, or two tuples at the same time, it does not matter. Okay, so let's say 4 4 x comma y in zip. So let's say a comma b, and print x comma y. So it will give an error if we do this like this. You cannot access or traverse the both the tuples at the same time. Okay, so but using zip you can do this. Now print xy, and you can see here 1 6 2 7 3 8 4 9 5 10. These are the values of x and y, or you can say a and b. So this was the first benefit. Now similarly you can also zip together different kind of data sets, like a is equal to 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and b is equal to a a b c d e. Now we can also zip them together. Let's check. Tuple and zip a comma b. As you can see here, one was zipped with a, two with b, three with c, and so on, like that. Now let's suppose you are working with a data set where you need to associate everything like this, and you need to sort them. So now let's take them as a list, because in because tuples are, what do we say, immutable. Okay, so make them list, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it like this. Answer is equal to list. I'm going to convert it into a list, and I'm going to pass a and b here. Okay, so type is not subscriptable. Okay, so here we need to pass these because we are typecasting them. And if now we check the answer, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but these are already in the sorted order. So let's say I'm assigning 5 to B and 2 to E, or 4 to C and 3 to D. Okay, now let's run it again. So 1A, 5B, 4C, 3D, 2E. You can see that 1, 5, 4, 3, 2 are not in order. So what you can do is use short function. And now if you will check, the answer will be 1 2 3 4 5, and these values that was associated with it, like here, so they also move together. So this is the benefit. And we need to do these kind of thing a lot, where we want to sort one thing based on another thing. So we have to do these kind of thing a lot in programming. So this is useful in that. And you can also unzip. Now how you can do that, let make a pair would be like this, and 1 comma 2 comma, let's make 3 comma 4. Now if you want to unzip it, let's take a comma b is equal to hmm, is equal to zip, and here we need to pass the asterisk and we need to pass pair. And if you check a, it will be 1 1, this one and this 3. And if you will check b, then you will get 2 and 4. So you can also, like, after the sorting part, you can also unzip them, so they would be normally as they were before the zipping. So this was it, guys, and I hope that you understood the concept of zip, although I did not included the iterator part in this video, but I'm gonna make another video. My next video will be about iterables in Python. So I hope that you understood all the concepts, and thank you for watching. See you next time.